Today we are going to be 3D printing a BT from the popular video game Death Stranding. BTs are these weird demon dead creature things. I don't even know exactly what they are. They're creepy, they look cool, and I found a model of it and I knew I had to print it. We're using the last of the Polyjuice water washable white resin. Again, using the Photon Mono SE to do our 3D printing today. Since this print was so large in the vertical axis, in the Z axis, it ultimately took a lot longer than I initially anticipated. See the 2K screen flashing to cure the resin as it slowly builds up our BT creature, emerging from the resin pool of ooze. There's something super mesmerizing about just watching the resin printer go up and down, and up and down, and up and down. It's really quite remarkable. Slowly building up in the Z axis, slowly and continuously growing our BT creature as it slowly starts to evolve. Here you can see there's a lot of support here, and most of it wasn't really necessary, but this is me simply erring on the side of caution as I don't have a great deal of experience using resin printers. However, the Photon Mono SE is making the entire learning experience incredibly easy and incredibly swift. This is one of my favorite shots of just slowly pulling out of the resin ooze as it nears completion of our BT 3D print. And here she is. It's all completed, all printed, water washable, so it's nice and easy. Just put it in the slop sink, get rid of all the excess resin on top of it, and swiftly pry it away from the build plate, using again that handy plastic spatula. There she is, our creepy, demonic looking BT. And just for the sake of it, I decided to put a little bit of spray paint on it just to help bring out certain definition in the muscles and the detail features.